I want to share something that has been bothering me, even though I don't know how to present it. Maybe structurally, how it will be able to sound better. So, but if you follow me, you will catch this gist. I don't know if you've heard this sentence that says monetize or demonize them to monetize them. We are in trouble. Social media will demonize you in order to monetize you, and I will explain. Do you see all this prank going on? 90% are arranged. They are not real. All these, call it, many of those hookups that you see, many of them are completely arranged. You see people making content just to meet up, because they have started testing the pay, the income of Facebook, of YouTube, of all the social media platforms, and they don't want to let go. Now, like the one I placed before you now, the one you are seeing, and these comments here say, "No joy. My engagement has fallen for 11 million to 3 million. Cynthia has finished me." So it's not just a comment. The owner of this page also showed you. You see, is going down 70% down, everything reduced, and this is what we are facing. We will go to the comment section so that you see some funny comments there, but here is a very serious point. It's a serious issue. A lot of people might not know it, but if you're a content creator, me myself, I have not been receiving any money from social media, and I would like to. But sometimes I talk to myself. I say, but I would not want whereby I will sell myself to a system that I don't know how to control. The problem is, if you make content is my pleasure. I like to pass message. I like to transfer information. But there is a robot they call algorithm. This algorithm knows what to select and make it go viral. So, and people in realistic world of today, they don't want boring lessons. They don't. In fact, Satan is out to demonize people. Satan is out to mess our lives. Therefore, content that are wayward will go viral, and then you will be cashing out. That is why you see someone that off his or her singlet. Tomorrow, which one will you off? You will off your pants. Next tomorrow, you off your bra. Because when you do everything this month to go viral and you cash, which one will you do next month? Upper month, which one will you do? You continue to go deeper. That is what maybe somebody like you. Nobody knows what's actually going on in some families today. Now you see the prank hookups, they are going down now because people now started noticing that, hey, they are all arranged. So somebody like you, anytime you click his content, you are creating in fact, a very high demand. His name is on the top. The algorithm captures his name. He is searchable. The robot is happy with anyone making content with his name. Why? Because the message that we get from his content, people don't know if we should be discussing polygamy or divorce. No divorce. You did say this. You said that. May said that, as if it's only the content that is in the market or on the social media. There's a lot of content out there. In fact, where they will teach you how to live your life with your wife or your spouse, with your children, how to make money, you won't see them. In fact, those guys have to pay. Those guys have to pay in order to get their content out there. People will not even want to consume those contents. We always want to watch funny things. So there will be a time you will now get tired. You've exhausted yourself with all the funny content that you can think of. So you will now begin to do good one and bad ones. The moment you stop doing it, the moment you stop giving your audience, they will, then you go down, and then you see your analysis will put heads for start to go down, and you begin to cry, because definitely the next month of it you will not get any money. So when you get 1 million followers, you want to get 2 million. You get 2 million, you want to get 5 million. You get 5 million until when? And you are getting 20,000 euro this month. I don't know how much they pay them. Like I said, I've never collected any money from social media. I enjoy making content. That's just the truth. Even if they don't pay me, let people watch. I want to pass an authentic message. I just want to pass an information that will make someone to know that, and give the person a value. That is content. That I derive joy when someone capture or get one or two information from me. And so I just want to contribute to the society. That is my goal. And then if something come out from it, that would be great. If there is any money coming out from it, that will be fine. But the kind of content, when you come teaching people to be careful, your future, plan your life very well, such content will not excel. And they have selected few people in our own continent, those that will make it, those that they will allow to excel. But there are people who are struggling. I have seen people, what they do is even to report your content. They will just be reporting it. And from doing that, they will bring it down. I made a video. I know how many videos that I've made and I posted that they brought down. Just if it's against the Western ideology, they will bring it down. So what now happened? One of the time I was doing very well. If I post video, it will go well. Then I suddenly posted a video against plastic surgery, and they brought it down. They said I was going against the community guideline. What against community guideline? They brought it down. Now, if I'm earning from YouTube or from Facebook, they brought it down. And if I have already built my expenses on that income, what will I say? I will be forced to be doing the kind of content that they want. And this is where we are going. That is my point. And that is why this owner of this post said now he want to make it up to the system. He want to accelerate. He want to do something. And some of the people are commenting, let's go. Count me in. Count me in. I guess something is wrong with Meta. Nothing is wrong. This is... they are not even the one that have programmed a robot called algorithm that does this job for them. But my point is, we have to be very careful. This one say, continue. Cynthia will carry you, go where you don't know. Don't following you. Count me in. So there is a lot going on, even though it looks joking. It looks like a joke, but a lot of people are building their nest, their income on social media these days, and I see danger. You will be depressed. So this one, I am following everyone. I'm following everyone. They're following. If you follow me, it's good. If you don't like, don't follow. I'm not chasing people because if you don't like my content, following me wouldn't make sense. Wouldn't make any good meaning. Why? Because you won't be able to consume it. You won't be able to watch. You won't watch up to 10 minutes or even 3 minutes. And if you don't watch, it's better you watch and don't follow me than, because all I want is someone to watch my content. If I'm making sense, grab 1 or 2 points that I'm making. If possible, you like it. Or if possible, you share it. But the problem, what they are making us to be running after follow. And this one is following me. This one is not following me. And before you know it, you will follow everybody. Look at this one now. From 11 million to 3 million. How could that be possible? It happened. It's happening. I know a lot of people who are depressed now, and that is why I'm doing this video. So if you are one of us, if you're one of them, be careful. I just see it as a day. So if you have children who are into celebrity or social media kind of a thing, be careful. Teach them not to depend fully on that income. Like I said, they will demonize you in order to monetize you. So instead of you to teach, and that is why we are going down the dream. Other country, other continents are doing something that will promote the youth. What are we doing? Big Brother Nigeria is excelling. If you are transgender, you will excel. If you are saying anything that doesn't make sense, you will excel. If you are doing all this Minecraft, you will excel. Anything that is not going to make youth of these days to be creative, to know how to make something out of their life, to be more thinking, to understand the future that they will face, how to think, especially in our own area. They will just allow the excelling thing to be something that is nothing. So where else we're supposed to be learning mathematics, how to mine, how to do some good things for our future. But if you do such video, nobody will watch it. And it's not because people don't want to watch, but because that robot will bury it. So you will be forced to go look for nonsense content to do. Content that will not bring any value in your life. So let's be aware of this and share this video. Spread this news so that we'll be, because if we can know that this is what is happening, whoever that is concurring it, whoever that is doing that work through the robot, that algorithm, they should know that we are aware that people want a good information, a valuable information, educative information that is edible, that will edify human being, that will make us a reasonable people, how to live in peace, how to have a good home, how to build your career, and not something that will just make you laugh, ha 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 ha, ha, and then nothing else, and something that will make you develop awkward livelihood. Can you imagine? I know how many videos that I did that were brought down. Yeah, okay, let's say that because that one was because of when you talk about colonialism, what is the name? When you talk about colonial, talk much about the politics and the governments and Western imperial. When you talk much about Western imperialistic ruling system, politics, they will bring it down in most cases, But I have done a video, like I said before, just because I'm talking against plastic surgery. Now our people are dying because of plastic surgery. They just want to do it at all cost. That video was brought down by Facebook. And not only I did the same video on YouTube, they brought it down because I presented things that will make people to watch it and know. Because I made the truth, because that is what I do in this channel, bitter truth. I do my best to say the truth as bitter as it is. There are a lot of contents out there that romanticize, rub and decorate truth. Truth don't need to be decorated. It has to be raw as it is. So when I come up with those my bitter truth, I don't know who reports them, and that is how they brought them down. And so now, what kind of content will I be doing? The one I do, 20 people will watch. That is not going to make me earn 1 cent. But my plea to you is, if you like good content, like mine is bitter truth, if you want me to shaping it, that is okay. You can give me some suggestion, but let's find a way to promote a reasonable content and demote all this content that will not defy us as a continent. Yeah, remain blessed. Thank you for watching, and bye.